Jesus' name, in Jesus' mighty name, Lord, we thank you that we have survived the night and come to the day. We thank you for this day made by the Lord. We thank you that we're able to breathe. There are other people who want to cry and they do not look at this. Take all the blessings, take all the adoration, take all the praises in Jesus' name. As these boys who came to help me, to send home my daughter, I pray that every step that they shall take from now.
Hey guys, this is a moment of grief for the veteran Nollywood actor Nkem Owoh, also known as Osuofia, who recently buried his second daughter, Kosisochukwu, which died on the 28th of June this year as a result of liver cancer. Yes, according to my source, the 24-year-old young lady died as a result of liver cancer, and the popular Nollywood actor and father of two seemed not to have gotten over the pain, as he was saying, praying heavily for his two foster sons who played a major role in the burial of his daughter, and of course their sister not to die untimely as his daughter. This is so emotional, guys. Meanwhile, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new here, you're very welcome. Please, I beg you, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for latest gist and trending news as we continue to serve you with the latest. All right,
in Jesus' name, in Jesus' mighty name, Lord, we thank you that we have survived the night and come to the day. We thank you for this day made by the Lord. We thank you that we're able to breathe. There are other people who want to cry and they do not look at this. Take all the blessings, take all the adoration, take all the praises in Jesus' name. As these boys who came to help me, to send home my daughter, I pray that every step that they shall take from now on, watch them, guide them in all their endeavor, particularly when it concerns the industry, so that in the near future they will be hearing their voice. We will not be hearing our own voice. In fact, our own voice will supersede our voice. All these are asked in Jesus' name. As they go now, they shall go in peace. You have to get away. Send your guardian angels to guard them when they travel. They shall meet no predation. They shall meet no evil. Even the scorpions that they say will be in their way will not be in Jesus' name. Thank you, Lord, for hearing us. In Jesus' name we pray.
can see and hear the pain in his voice as he made this prayer for his boys. But what I don't understand was why a family member of his came out after his daughter's death accusing him of being a deadbeat father. The guy claimed he is an in-law of his and that Nkem Owoh, aka Osuofia, has abandoned his wife and kids for so many years, close to 15 years now, till the death of his second daughter, Kosisochukwu. In fact, he claimed that he was the one that begged him to come bury his daughter and that he is a legend on social media but a shame to his family and community in reality. The accusation against him were too much, they were too heavy, to the extent I feel there may be truth in what the guy is saying. But before I say further and use my mouth to land myself in jail, just calm down and watch this video, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as you do so.
Nkem Owoh Osuofia ma akpali abiom ka mgbo your image, abiom ka untimely show your image. But mu apụtago obukwa na ma nkwa sokosi ka nwo sokosi man need injustice. The worst thing here may be chonda assassin ka fa gbagbuo mu. Ma ọ bụ na Chukwu okike abịa mmai aja na uhu obo ka ije ora asị okija kwe ka nweta nwa ụmụ gbagbuo mu. Apart from that, chọm ụzọ m esi wee chọm marụ na nwa gị nwaanyị ososa ada gị Kosisochukwu nọ na mortuary since 2 weeks now. Ọ nwụrụ on 28th of June a na-eme Sara go out of your abandonness to your family. Onwe onye kwa aza call ya, onwe onye kwa enye attention, because if you do not want to get menu na ngozi ke evidence na poor family no si na family nwa ya nori ogu. But mo abuchu karibia na agwa gị na oge erugo, man die go, woman born another. But abiam ka atoba challenge ma magaka mana ejiri ngị ofo na ogu ejiri ngị ofo na ogu ị ga-ama na bende bike ebda bịa nụ nwaanyị na nwoke a na egokwa ebe anwa ị ga-ama na bende bike ebda bịa nụ nwaanyị 1995 Ngozi Ikebude the first graduate enwere na my kindred from UNN Nsukka ị ga-ama na ọ nwekwara nwanne Kosi your second daughter your second child nọ na mortuary since going to next morning 2 weeks and tomorrow bụ Tuesday 11th bụ the deadline ndị mortuary anwa si na asị bịa buru ya because out of your ka ngara subo oyibo ya bụ ụmụ Igbo ka anyị na-ekwu inefere anyị nefere ya family nwa gị nwaanyị wee nwụọ akpọ gị na phone si nọ set ịnọ Lagos a on 28th of June ịnọ set ịnọ na shoot ndị bụ owo onwe onye jụrụ maka nwa hafa nwaanyị nwụrụ anwụ onwe onye wetara ego mortuary onwe wetara ego n'iwa nwata kwesịrị iburu ya naba east that time that day mụ na my elder brothers bụ ihe pụtara na buru ka o si buje mortuary n'ozu ka o si na-akpọgo onye nke but it is very very terrible in real life biko onye furu ozi a help ụmụ gbasa ya bloggers ọbụla help mụ ka Osuofia nụ meseji a from now till tomorrow a na-agwụ help ụmụ mụ adịkwa ready to die o onwefe njikwa onwe m eme n'ụwa now gosi ama m n'isiri ike ama m n'ifiri na onwe ife ga-emenụ mana Chukwu okike abịa ma ikere n'igwe ka ụwa o ji okuku mee mụ na gị onye ọbụla ya nwụkwa anwụ ihe ọbụla anyị mere n'ụwa anyị ga-anata ụgwọ ya ịsọfago my blood sister Ngozi Ikebude so much for over 15 years now and mụ nwa bụ Chukwu dibịa ya anọkwa ndụ bịa ya again anọ m Lagos steeti na kpọọ mebe ọbụla iyi akpọ m kpọọ ndị ọbụla iyi akpọ ya ememe arrest eji m prove and data of everything abịa m ebe ihe gbasaga ya na-agwụ mbụ real life something na-emenụ.
For those who do not understand Igbo language, the guy was saying that Nkem Owoh abandoned his family, that is, his wife and 2 daughters, even till the death of his daughter. He said for the past 2 weeks that Kosisochukwu died, he abandoned her in the mortuary and has refused to pick his calls from his wife's family to come and bury his daughter. In fact, the guy said so many things about Nkem Owoh and his wife, which I think there is an atom of truth in all he said. He even bragged that he has proof of all his claims and threatens Nkem Owoh to come and arrest him if he feels he is lying for content or for views. Man, for me, personally, I think we should not believe all that we see on social media. There is more when it comes to reality. Nkem Owoh may be Nollywood legend, but a deadbeat father like he claimed. And also, on the other hand, the guy could be lying. But don't you think Nkem Owoh would have arrested him if he were lying? Because this allegation is too heavy to just let slide like that if it weren't true. So, please kindly let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as you do so. Stay beautiful and have a nice day.
Are you going by bus or you?
I will enter into the mouth of a fish, and the fish will carry me through water and then reach Nineveh like Jonah. You the Chris? You saw that I am going to the motor park and you're asking me, am I going by bus or by sea or by air? Do I have money for